Current problem, ang bobo. First duo man, definitely not the last. Let's go. Grabe Lord, thank you kasi lahat ng recess ko. Hindi mo inayaang maulan. Mukhang maaraw na naman to. The fuck? Basta ulan bro. Grabe. Wala, ito na tayo. Commit. Long time no see. Today is Saturday, July 19 and pupunta tayo ngayon ng Clark kasi magki-claim tayo ng race kit, no, for duathlon. So, alam ko hindi pa ako nagpo-post ng mga vlog pero sana ma-post ko na para makita niyo yung story ng vlog na to. Okay, let's go. Let's go. What's up? So we got it. Ayun na, may DM full. Ayan, DM full. May binigay sila, hindi ko alam. Left ankle facing outward. So susuotin ko na lang siya. Hindi ko gets kasi bakit kailangan nila sabihin yung facing outward. It is facing outward though. I don't know. Kailangan ko tumingin na reference kasi mas nalito ako sa instruction nila. Grabe naman yung nagpark sa likod ko. Tinutok. Anyway. Let's go. What's up? Let's go. It's 2:44 a.m. No. And currently I'm checking the things na pwede ko makalimutan. And merong essential na nawawala which is yung tawag dun? Yung belt. Yeah, belt. Belt pala, belt. I mean, hindi itong belt Hindi ito. So, okay. Check. Tanong muna. Bike check. B-roll. Ito yung natin. Bike setup. So, I'm just checking yung mga kailangan dalhin. Kasi wala lang kasi ako lang yung nag-aasika, so wala naman. I'll drive myself as well. Drive myself crazy. Ayan. Kasi I don't have anyone to drive for me. So I have to drive myself on my races as usual. Dilim. It's 2:52 a.m. and ang start ng bike registration or check-in is around 3:30 a.m. No, so up until 5:30 a.m. So siguro makakarating tayo ng Clark around magmamacarter lang ako so siguro mga 3:40 ganun, 3:50 rin, mga 1 hour ganun. Grabe. Gusto ko yung vibe nung natatanga talaga ako pag pagbagawan ako sa isang race natatanga talaga ako pinakain ako ng buong buo kanina wala, lumipat akong parking super lapit ko sa transition area and at least hindi ako maglalakad ng malayo sa Tom and Tom's banda. Okay, it's rocked in 196 helmet ready, shoes depende. Okay, pictures. Let's go. So inaral ko yung ruta kung saan ako magdi-dismount tsaka kasi I've been watching a lot of triathlon and duathlon videos and meron tinatawag kasi na parang lugar lang kung saan pwede ka mag-dismount tsaka mag-mount ng bike. So pag lumagpas ka doon, mape-penalty ka. So hindi naman natin siya ma-apply dito, pero it's a good practice na parang starting pa lang dito. We're trying to do that practice. Bumalik tayo sa kotse. It's currently 4:13 and siguro mag-alarm tayo ng 5:30. Let's take a 1 hour nap. And malamig-lamig naman kaya hindi ko na kailangan buksan yung aircon or siguro buksan ko na lang ng konti yung bintana. Mukhang tuloy na tuloy yung race kasi sa forecast talaga yung 6, 7, 8 talagang walang ulan. Tas 9:30 or 9 yung buhos talaga sabi sa Google. So, what the hell no? Grabe Lord, thank you kasi lahat ng races ko hindi mo hinayaang maulan. Mukhang maaraw na naman to at mapasabak ako. Current problem, ang bobo. Earphones na iwan ko. Diyos ko po. Nag-download ako madaming kanta sa relo ko. Ang gagawin ko yung speaker mode ko yan. Parang ewan habang tumatakbo. Super lakas ng buhos ng ulan. Okay. And we don't have no choice. And kailangan na mag-start mag-warm up. It's already 5:12. 1 hour before the gun start ng full. Lumalakas lalo yung ulan. I need to go to the CR first. The fuck? Lakas ng ulan bro. Wala, ito na tayo. Commit. So, okay, let's go. Lakas ng ulan, grabe. Hindi pa nagsisimula. Thumbs up. Go. Gaya. Almost 5 kilometers, 29 minutes. Pasok pa. Yeah. Siski sakto sa bike. Quick update. Iiwan ko yung salamin ko. And turn na rin ako kasi pababa na rest. Pababa siya, so wait lang. Getting cold. Sobrang lamig. Ay, salamat. Liwanag. Grabe yun talaga. Let's go! Grabe po! Yung pader pataas. Slow and steady. Nakukuha naman. Okay, mababa to. Wow. Nasa likod.
Congratulations to all
Okay, next. Run again. Okay, 3 kilometers. Let's go. 0.5. Whew.
Jingle, where are you, Jingle?
One 196. Sabi ng pila.
Bike po. Zero? Zero, are you here?
First do man, definitely not the last. Next month, try man. So we'll practice swimming na and we will double time the running. May ano talaga, meron talagang certain aspect yung running na hindi mo makukuha yung gusto mong oras kapag hindi ka at least 5 minutes pacing sa running mo. Iba talaga.
Second place with the time
Need to improve in running.